Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make submersible motor control wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Double pole MCB circuit breaker, overload switch, water heater switch, capacitor, submersible water pump, neutral connection to double pole MCB. Phase connection to double pole MCB. Neutral connection from double pole MCB to connect water heater switch. Neutral connection from water heater switch to overload switch. Neutral connection from overload switch to connect submersible pump. Phase connection from DP MCB to water heater switch. Phase connection to capacitor and water pump. Capacitor connection to submersible water pump. Earthing connection to submersible water pump. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.